In this HIPAA Dashboard tutorial, we are going to discuss the claim status. Let's get started. On the dashboard page, you have a claim status portal and a request portal for the claim status. You have the request for a claim and the request response. It's prodding all the requests and their claims, so you can view the claim detail from here if you have a claim, and you can print the claim stats as well. So here, the request portal is grouping the records per request. For now, this is a request, a response, and so on. Their trace number is grouping here. But in the claim status portal, it's moving per request and per claim. So, for each claim, you will find under it all the requests sent for this claim. So for this claim, for example, you have all those requests that have been sent, and for each trace number, you have the same request. To send a request, you go to Claim Master and Claim Table. You enter the claim detail, and from the claim detail, you'll find the button here to send the request. When you enter, you'll find the details for the claim, and if the claim has a payer listed in the database and a trading partner, they will be listed here. If you want to send them anything, you can select them directly, or you can select from all pairs and all partners. Here you are selecting a pair. If you want to add a new pair, you can add a pair from here, or you can add a trading partner. And now we have selected this partner and are ready to send a request. By clicking on it, it will load and wait for a response. Once the request is sent, we receive a response with the claim status. Okay, so from here you are getting these second log details, even with the PDI string and the request details and response details. Where is the file of the request and response? The ID. The type and every detail of the response, the request, and the log of the sent data are all for claims. This page is only open when there is a pending request because this is a log. Even if we notice in here that we have an error in the response, it returns with this error, and it's supposed to add this log in here. As you notice here in the counters on the page, now it's for outgoing files. If you open the claim status table for outgoing files, you will notice that there is a record added with the time and status of the same data, which means that it succeeded. Thank you for watching this tutorial.